Vietnam is home to some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in the world. From the majestic Ban Duoc to the hidden gem of Mu Waterfall, these natural wonders offer spectacular views, adventure, and relaxation. In this video, we'll explore the top 11 waterfalls you shouldn't miss in 2025. Located on the Vietnam-China border, Ban Duoc is one of the largest and most spectacular waterfalls in Asia. The multi-tiered cascades and turquoise waters make it a must-visit for nature lovers. Just outside Sapa, Silver Waterfall cascades down from a height of 200 meters. The misty atmosphere and surrounding mountains create a magical scene, especially in the early morning. Nestled in the Pulong Nature Reserve, Mu Waterfall is a hidden gem with refreshing pools where visitors can swim and unwind amid lush greenery. Located in Quang Ninh, this three-tiered waterfall is a peaceful retreat surrounded by dense forests. It's a perfect spot for picnics and nature walks. Known as the Mist Queen of the Central Highlands, Dray Nor is a powerful waterfall that creates an impressive misty effect, perfect for photography. Pa Ho, meaning three lakes, features three cascading waterfalls leading to natural swimming pools, making it a fun adventure for hikers and swimmers. Famous for its serene setting, Yang Bay Waterfall in Nha Trang offers natural hot springs nearby, making it a great spot for relaxation. Often called the greatest waterfall of the south, Phongor is an 8-tiered waterfall that flows over majestic rock formations, creating a unique visual effect. Just 25 kilometers from Dalat, this waterfall is known for its wide, rushing waters and nearby caves. The hike to the base offers a stunning perspective. Standing at 90 meters, Dam Ri is one of the tallest waterfalls in Vietnam. Visitors can take an elevator down to enjoy its breathtaking power up close. Located in Phu Quoc, this waterfall is surrounded by a tropical forest, making it an ideal escape for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Exploring the great outdoors, visit early for the best lighting, wear comfy shoes for trekking, and keep your phone and camera safe with a waterproof bag. Enjoy the journey. Vietnam's waterfalls are truly nature's masterpiece, offering adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking beauty. Which waterfall would you love to explore? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.